How do you create a plan for how you'll live post-divorce? I'm a board certified divorce lawyer and I walk clients through answering this exact question for them every single day. It's really only 2 steps. Step number 1, take the time to think about what you want your life to be like after the divorce. This is the part that requires some thought. Maybe get out a yellow pad. Write down what are the things in your life that you're happy with right now. What are the things in your life that you're not happy with and want to change besides not being married to your husband? Take stock at what that list represents. That will give you an idea for the type of life you want to have after the divorce, and get a little bit into the material things. Where are you going to be living? What car do you want to be driving? And if you have time, try to figure out how much this stuff costs. Getting stuck on these steps? Well, consider talking to a really good therapist or divorce coach or a divorce lawyer. This is what we do as attorneys. We help people figure out what they want their life to be like after the divorce, and then we help them go get it. Step 2, talk to a divorce lawyer about your plan for your ideal life and have them tell you the path to get there. Folks, it really doesn't have to be much harder than this. Number 1, tell the lawyer what you want your life to be like after the divorce with specifics. And number 2, have the lawyer who knows what they're talking about give you a specific plan with steps to get that life that you want to be living. Now look, sometimes a lawyer might tell you, hey, you're not going to be able to get everything you want in terms of money from this specific divorce, but that doesn't mean you can't get your life to where you want it to be. It just might take you doing other things after the divorce to get to that ideal life that you're envisioning. And that's okay. You have time. You're not going to fix everything in one day, but it all starts with coming up with an explanation of what you want your life to be like and getting a plan to get there. I hope this has been helpful. Like and subscribe for more information. Check out the free resources in the description below that can help you with your divorce. Catch you next time.